Hey folks, just an unboxing of a CLF Doheny V12 and a little Z bass, short scale bass at the end. So anywho, here we go. Hey everybody, this is a kind of a spur of the moment unboxing. G&Lguitars in California had their B stocks on their website, and for the 4th of July they had 20% off of that, already discounted price. So I couldn't pass up picking up a guitar. I've been looking at this model for a while, probably a year or two, and they had one in a color I liked. It's a Doheny V12. Okay, we're getting somewhere. It's stuck in there pretty good. A lot of bubble wrap, which is nice. Now let's see what we got here. This is a Doheny V12 and Pearl Gray, I think it's called. So this was a B stock. Pretty awesome guitar. So the reason this was a B stock is there's a, and I can't even find it to be honest with you. They said there was a little ripple, and I think you need a magnifying glass to see it under here. And then they said there was a little shelf here where the neck and body really don't align, but not a problem. So yeah, these were 20% off their already discounted price of the retail. So pretty awesome. I'm gonna plug it in, see if my neighbor's available, and we can kind of go through its paces. It's got the kind of wrinkled pickguard on it. Pretty cool. All right, I'll get this thing plugged in here. It's a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be, because I watched some YouTube videos and it sounded harsh, you know, and then I got it and I'm like, wow, this sounds really nice.
Do you know why I said that about the chunky monkey? Because to me that's like the upper mid-range bark, like a Gibson humbuckers. That's a good name for this, but also for like the solid.
It's heavy
construction.
I think they said it was 9 pounds or something.
But that's okay.
Yeah, it plays beautifully.
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, they had 20, I think they still have the 20% off. They're already reducing these stock prices, but
I wonder why they're reducing it.
For 4th of July.
Oh. Plays really nice too.
Yeah.
You chose well.
I've been looking at that just because it's a V12, you know, I'm like, oh man, this is a cool guitar. It's like for a year or two, I was looking at the different colors, and then this one popped up, and I was like, just really looked good.
So I guess master volume.
Yeah.
Tone for that guy, and then.
What are you doing? TV themes from the 60s or what? What was that? Bewitched or what was that?
I Dream of Jeannie.
I Dream of Jeannie.
It's wonderful. Yeah, very nice. You can really get a lot of different tones out of it too. It's very versatile.
Fixing your plans for the single coil now. You could buy those pickups and drop
Oh, you can?
Yeah, they sell them singles and in pairs.
I guess they fit a Jazz Master, right?
Yeah, I think they're the same stock.
So I guess all the way up on these is full humbucking, right?
I have no clue.
How about dirty? Have you tried dirty yet?
I haven't, no. That's you're on the upper bank there, yeah.
Let's take a little look, see. Pretty tough.
transparent purple one on.
They got a coral. I was looking at them today.
They do have the coral. I was looking at the coral, but I wasn't. I think they usually have maple necks on them, but I do like the coral too. Yeah, they have some nice colors. Purple would be good with a rosewood neck or fretboard.
Yeah, it's the chunky monkey.
I think you christened it properly.
Yeah, I love it. Boy, it's just that perfect like mix of like Gibson and Fender.
Yeah.
Then you can get single coil sounds, so
yeah,
very nice.
thank you.
You chose wisely.
I try.
It just, I don't know, it's got a trim too. And
Yeah, the bar's pretty. Just put the bar here.
we'll try it.
Just slide that in here. Yeah, I was surprised it wasn't chrome, but it's I think it just pops in maybe.
Hmm.
Did it go in?
I guess so. It feels like it's locked in now.
Huh.
Whoops. Sensitive too. Too much. Too much fun.
That's what it's for.
Do they make a tribute of this or a legacy?
I
Tribute's their budget, right?
just tributes to the Indonesian ones, but they don't make the V12. That's actually a CLF. So they have G&L Fullerton, and then they have the CLF, which is Fullerton, but it's like a tab. They put the little string bar instead of a.
Is this a CLF?
Yeah. I think that's the only one they make in the CLF tab.
I want a CLF.
Well, get one, man. It's like $1,400. Tell me whatever you want. Go for it, man. Right back into my groove.
That's what they sound. Do you think they do that a lot?
Them and Tycho and
that bass player for Slow Dive is awesome. As is the drummer. Talk about like he's almost reminds me of a drum machine. Like he's so precise and
strings are high enough or too
It's
high.
super comfy.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like they're high and they don't rattle. What's this called? The Z bass?
Yeah, Zeta. I think they made them back in the 80s, the company, whoever made them, and then they either went out of business or discontinued the line, and Warmoth kept the body. So it's a Z or Zeta, Z-E-T-A.
Did you paint these or are they decals?
I painted them.
You did?
Yeah.
Does it ever make your fingers sore playing
Yeah.
bass?
I haven't played it long enough to really feel that, but
That like needs 0 upgrades too.
except the neck plate.
Yeah.
See him. I was gonna put like heavy V12 on it, and then when you said Chunky Monkey, I'm like, that's it.
Chunky monkey.
It's a Joker Man font. Look at the neck plate on that. That's the Joker Man font.
Yeah.
I could go like Chunky Monkey.
Bass.
That's pretty cool. I mean, I don't know if Pat's interested, but because Philadelphia Luthier Tools, you can order those like custom, and you just tell them the font you want, and you can have like custom neck plates. That's like $18 or $17.
No, that's cool.
Yeah.